Clever Life. Life's better when it's clever. G'day, it's Ben here from Clever Life, here today to show you our 30 watt LED RGBW floodlight. A quick unbox of what you will get. We'll open it up. The light itself is very well constructed. We have a aluminium powder coated casing, some good size heat sinks on the back, a good length lead with a 10 amp plug on the end, easy to plug in, a hingeable bracket that can be screwed and fixed to the structure that it wants to be mounted to, a tempered glass front lens and an IP65 weatherproof rating, so this guy will be perfect in any environment, indoors or out. The light itself is, as I mentioned, a RGBW, which is red, green, blue and white. The white is a tunable white, which is a 3000K to 7500K color of white. And on the color spectrum, there's actually 16 million different colors you can get out of this particular light. We'll show you some examples shortly of what it looks like in the dark. Thanks.